Hello friends, this video, so we are going to discuss about the communication skills. Okay, so see mostly the peoples who are coming from village, so who are educated from so it's not and matriculations, so like from the Tamil mediums or any other state board. So those people will get little struggle while speaking in English. So there are two reasons I believe. The one is the fear. So if we speak wrongly, so they might think, so is it right or wrong? Because of there is no self confidence, so the fear will happen. So to overcome this, to recover how to speak in English, how to speak the fluently, so we need to sort it out by practice. So what kind of practice we can do? See, if you are not able to speak in English fluently, first just try to understand and try to remove the fear. See, whatever it is, even if you know the grammar or not, just ignore that. First, whether you understand or not, first speak loudly. Daily get newspaper, and even if you're not understanding, daily early morning you just speak up loudly, so that is used to reduced your fear. So after few days, if you keep on practicing that, so after few days I'm sure you will able to speak as much as very much clear as before. So, and second one, read emails and try to write something by using small grammars. You just read the emails, read the like newspapers, or read the emails, read your personal emails like your Gmail or your personal email. Just read the email and just try to write something. So by reading or by writing, so the grammar, we can sort it out the grammar error if anything comes, so we can learn easily the grammars also. We can um, resolve that. So third one, see, early morning, so we need to speak up loudly in front of the mirror. So even it is meaning or not, just speak out in front of the mirror. So this will also help us to talk in English fluently, and so it will give us some more confidence while speaking in English. Very much, very much most important, the communication is must. See, whatever technical skills you gain, you should convey them. For that we need a language. If you get an job in any other state, so you should able to communicate the same, whatever you are thinking, whatever skills you have, you should communicate via the language. So the English is most language. So by practicing, by reading, and by writing, so we can easily sort it out the communication skills, and we can also improve our fluency while giving interview and while started working in IT companies. So we need to keep on, we need to focus on only the practice. Only three concept. Only first one is speak loudly by newspapers. Second one, speak in front of the mirror. Third one, read mails and keep writing something. So these all three will easily help us to improve our communication skills. So thanks a lot. So we'll come up with next video with some technical interviews and questions from the respective platforms, means from Windows or Linux or network storage or applications, so whatever it is. Thank you. Good luck.